Good night, teacher. My name is Lady Vanessa Vigoya. I am in Healthcare Administration in Group 201. Tonight, I'm gonna talk about Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale is a key figure in the history of healthcare administration. She was born in 1820 in Italy and became famous during the Korean War, where she organized care of wounded soldiers. She worked tirelessly to improve hospital conditions. Her contributions were very important and really groundbreaking. She used statistics and data to analyze the cause of death and illness, and her reports led to major reforms in hospital management. Her discoveries were more advanced than those of her peers. Nightingale's work in the 19th century transformed public health systems. She also founded the first professional school for nurses in 1860. Her legacy includes the use of hygiene practice, patient tracking, and statistical analysis in healthcare. She was incredibly creative and deeply committed to helping others. Today, many health administration systems still follow her methods and vision. Thank you.